So the crypto market is heavily corrected. So currently there are the very good chance to take entry again. So this is the current balance 70.786 BTC, and this is the BTC chart, and we will check it on a 1 day as it will give the basics. So in trading on M, the blue line above it is trading, and the current correction is but obvious. As always, once it goes high, it correct in a definite form. So we can see data 1 week chart also that it has corrected, and this is also the correction. Now it is going to be generate a good profit from this level. So we are again taking the entry on a buy side with a 10-point grids level. So price are very fluctuating, so the entry point it's taking time. We will take again the 400 ether because the volatility is very high, so it is a very good opportunity to enter on this volatility. If you analyze the supply and demand and you trade from proper level, then the possibilities of the profits are very high in this volatile markets. But if you trade randomly, then the same time the possibilities of the loss is also very high. So keep it in mind. Trade with proper risk and proper reward. Do not blindly trade, and do not do the averaging, and check your capital and take the risk of 15 to 20% maximum. Keep the extra capital with you on a buffer margin. So once if it falls below, then you have again chance to enter. So follow these few steps, and profit will follow, God willing, into your account. So these are the 5 position open, and yes, definitely after immediately the position is open into the floating profit of 0.1. So almost $5,000 profit is running. We will wait for some more profit to capture around 0.5 to 1.0 BTC near, and we will wait till it reach to the 0.1 above. So what happened currently, within a 5 minutes of our trades, the account turned into the profit, then it's better to book it, and else at least should be 10,000 to yes definitely. Now it is a 15,000 of $6,000 profit is going on. So we'll wait for to reach around 2,000, 20,000 to $15,000 profit, or 0.2 around $10,000 profit. We will update soon later on after 1 hour the status of the account. If we wanted to hold, if it reached now XRP in the loss and BTC into the profit 47%, so the 0.1% is pretty good to book it. If it reached to the 0.2 floating or 0.2, this is the floating is running on a BTC. So if 0.1 BTC, that means around $5,000 profit. If 0.2 BTC, now it is $2,500 profit. So we will wait and some more time to stabilize the market, and profit reach to the 0.5 to 0.8 BTC or nearly 1 BTC, God willing.